In our office, our team is fully trained to do the implant process from start to finish. We'll take the case from the surgical placement of the implants all the way through the restoration. Not only are we going to make sure that your implants are healthy, but we're going to make sure that the aesthetics of the final outcome meet and exceed your expectations. During your consultation process, we're also going to assess your bone quality and quantity through a 3D scan. That scan can tell us a lot about how many dental implants we can place for you and which option is going to be the best. If we're limited by the available bone, we may want to go with less dental implants or place them at different angles to get a better outcome for you. This may mean that we'll talk about fixed or removable options to make sure that we can meet the goals that you're looking for. At our practice, we have a really unique advantage. We have both surgeons and restorative doctors that work together to plan your case with the end in mind. We start by figuring out what's your goals. Do you want something fixed, something removable? Do you want a natural, beautiful looking smile? Do you want the strongest, most functional type of restoration? And we take those considerations and we start to plan from the teeth backwards. Once we know what your smile is going to look like and how you want it to function, we will then take a 3D scan and start to figure out where we need to place the dental implants to support that. In our office, the doctors work very closely together every step of the way to ensure that our plan meets that goal. Once you've gone through the consultation with us, you're going to be really well educated on all your full arch implant options, and you're going to feel that you have the right solution for you. You're going to meet every member of the team that's going to go along with you for this journey to transform not only your smile, but your life as well.